everybody, what's up, good evening, and today we are going to be doing what you call this, Jenga. Dominoes, yeah, more like a domino pizza. Okay, there's a bit of jokes there. Okay, so what do we have here? Anything you want to try to guess what is this, Ayah?
I don't know. Just I see dominoes.
So you're gonna be dropping the ball. I mean, for one of these might not be dropping because maybe it might go left, right? We don't know. Okay, so just knock each other.
So just drop the ball inside there.
No, not yet. We have to do same time. So I'm gonna drop at this small hole. You should just come here.
Okay, I can see.
Okay, I'll hold that one. Yeah, see this small hole and that big hole. I'm gonna hold small hole so I can save time. Actually, I'll just make it here lah. I just want to make it fast. So at the ending.
No, you put in the hole.
Okay. So seriously, you're faster, man.
Okay lah, whatever lah.
You're gonna make it fair. I'll just put it here, something like that. But here's the ending. So whoever knocked down the weight one goes first. I did try wins. So I did try this. I hope it works. Okay. 1, 2, sila letakkan sekarang. Ooh, he's on the move. Hey,
yes, Silo Space. Thank you very much. Okay.
Because actually, you notice the starting point, this thing is a bit faster. But okay, it's worth the waste. So yeah, so I think it's very.
Do you have any messages to our viewers?
Nah, I haven't finished yet my speech. I think this is very successful. That's everything. Just bang it. Okay. Any other thing you want to ask?
Any messages to our viewers?
Please make sure you like this video. Please subscribe and please turn on the notification bells if you can. So also don't forget one more thing to share this video and yeah. Thank you for your support and bye bye.